There's a reason why the most successful entrepreneurs choose to put themselves out there on the internet, to place a camera in front of them, film themselves, because they know there is even more potential of them getting more results for their business if they film videos. Talking to a camera is your sales asset. You can ask, what if I don't have a talent? What if it's so hard for me to start filming? What if I don't have any camera confidence? What if I'm awkward and I hate speaking? Well, I had no talent too when I started my first YouTube channel almost 4 years ago, but here I am in front of you 4 years later. I can't show you my first video because I deleted it, it was too embarrassing, but here is how it was before.
Во-вторых, его состав. Такой термоядерный запах всегда в этих вилах, и поэтому я хотела поменять на что-нибудь более натуральное.
And here's how I look now. It's a lot more beneficial and time-saving for me to just hang clothes right after it was washed on a hanger, and this way it just straightens itself without my help at all. And in this video I want to tell you what making 300 videos and filming myself almost every week for the past 3 to 4 years has taught me.
Without my help?
Here's the number one thing that has taught me to be confident on camera. There's no shortcut, you just need to do it. The more you do it, the more comfortable you are. No course, no coaching, no trainers will help you if you don't actually turn on the record button and film yourself. This is how I looked before practice, and this is how I look now. Imagine how bigger of a result I would have if I got a course or got a coaching on this. But the most important thing is that it feels good. I don't dread to put myself in front of the camera. I feel like it's a routine now, and I have absolutely no hard feelings about it. Second, the most common mistake if you film yourself is when you sit down in front of the camera and suddenly transform into the whole different person. I know exactly how it feels, but what can you do if you still need to build your personal brand and appear in front of the camera? Well, this is what helped me. I started imagining myself talking to a friend. So my camera is my good old friend, maybe my partner, who I can talk hours to. And for me, this made the process a lot easier. No one will ever trust you if you continue being stiff in your videos. Lack of movement, bad posture, and clenched jaw, guilty, signal that you're not confident in your expertise and might actually be a scammer. Meanwhile, having gestures and motions, filling up more space in the room, radiates confidence. This guy hacked YouTube and got almost 100 million views, more than 2 million subscribers in just the last 6 months. What? The funniest thing is that he does not have any editing, any fancy schmancy setup, filming quality, or anything like that. He's not a celebrity. He doesn't give a fuck about SEO. Do you want to know his secret? It's so simple. It's just authenticity. He's authentic, and this is why a lot of people watch him. He simply speaks from his heart. So even if you or your copywriter writes a killer script for your video, if you just read it word for word and look like a robot, nobody will actually like it. So be yourself and be authentic. Your video will be watched by exactly 0 people if you don't do this one thing. A huge expert in the field of funnels reached out to me for some YouTube help. She has such valuable content on her channel, but still low views, even though she has already filmed hundreds of videos. And one of the reasons for that is she did not create a killer hook in the beginning of her videos. Before you film, research your competitors' videos that had really high performance. Steal their scheme for the hook that they use for their videos. If you're short on time, I prepared the simple scheme that you can use in your videos to immediately improve your retention and make people watch more of you. I will leave it for you in the description. Learning camera confidence will make you several % better at video marketing. And you know what else can help you become better at your video marketing is understanding the YouTube SEO. I made a video about it right here, so you can check it out if you're interested in the topic. And have the most wonderful day. Bye bye.